Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get bubble gum off pants. Freeze the gum with ice or a freezer bag, then scrape gently with a dull edge and lift chunks away. If residue remains, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol, dish soap, or peanut butter and blot carefully. Finish by laundering on a normal cycle and air drying to confirm full removal. Begin by chilling the gum until it hardens and becomes brittle, which makes removal far easier. Hold the fabric taut and use a dull knife or stiff plastic card to scrape and lift the gum away in small pieces. Take care to scrape gently to protect fibers and switch to a fresh edge as the gum accumulates. If the gum softens, reapply ice briefly, then continue scraping until most material is removed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for setting timers and playing cleaning playlists while you work. I find it makes chores more fun, and it's an easy gadget to recommend. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After scraping, treat leftover residue with rubbing alcohol, dish soap, or a commercial stain remover to loosen sticky bits. Gently blot or brush the area until the residue transfers to your cloth, avoiding aggressive rubbing that could spread the stain. Rinse the fabric under cool water to clear cleaning agents, then check for any lingering tackiness before moving to the washer for a full clean and air drying to ensure the gum is gone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.